Watwanurado, welcome to Kanien'keha lesson 20. Today we're going to be continuing on from our last lessons and looking at A and C stem possessive pronouns. We're going to focus on dual and plural possessive pronouns and how to incorporate them with words. So today the two words that we're going to be using is atere, which is an A stem noun, and ganusa, which is a C stem noun. So first we're going to look at duals. So ours, meaning mine and yours or mine and someone's. Yours, as in you two. Theirs, as in two males or a male and a female. And theirs again, which is two females or neutral, as in like a dog or a cat. So first we're going to use the A stem. Atere. Our basket. Unja tere. So the pronoun is unja. Secondly, for use to, the pronoun is za. So za tere. Your guys' basket. And then the duals for them two is rauna. Rauna tere, their basket. And then two females, auna. Auna tere. And secondly, we're going to look at the C stem noun, ganusa, which means house. So our house, doesn't matter if it's mine and yours or mine and someone's, ungeninusa. So ungeni is the possessive pronoun for our two. And then your two, zeninusa. Their house, raudinusa, and those females' house, audinusa. Now we're going to look at plurals. So the three of ours is ungwatere, our basket. The three of yours is zewatere. And then if you look here, rauna and auna, it's actually the same as the dual possessive pronouns. So that makes it a lot easier when you're incorporating possessive pronouns with nouns. So the three of theirs, males, is rauna tere, and the three of theirs, female or neutral, is auna tere. And now we're going to be looking at the C stem plurals. So it's almost the same as the A stem, ungwa, ungwa. So our house is ungwanusa. Your guys' house is zewanusa. And once again, the possessive pronoun in plural and dual is the same in C stem. So their house is raudinusa, and those females' or those Oskanundu's house is audinusa. Nyawadi was a wadarora Kanien'keha lesson 20. What's the zedwadatka? Onigiwahi. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from Kanien'keha and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.